Yes, my people, I'm going to show you today how to save money at a car wash. Instead of paying more, you're going to pay less. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to show you um, how they have it set up here and the chart here, how you pay it as I go along. Let me show you around. All right, it said 2 minutes wash for 4 minutes wash is for $2. 8 minutes wash is for 8 minutes. It has a rate for all. You have all different wash here on the board here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm only gonna do this rinse. So I'm gonna show you how cheap and easy it is to wash your car without it costing you more. So I'm gonna use firstly I'm gonna wet the car up. I'm gonna set the camera at the handle that you can see it. I'm gonna get it wet and then I'm gonna get it soaked. I'm gonna put it on the arm. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. Yeah. So firstly I'm gonna get my jug. I'm gonna wet it up and then I'm gonna soak away with the brush. That's the easier way to do it. Wet, saving myself money by doing so. I'm gonna use just $2. So, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use the brush at the wash that you have to do this as a self wash gas face wash. So next I'm gonna use the liquid that I have here, Dollar Tree liquid, and I'm gonna scrub away. Because the only thing you would need to do is to use the foam brush and use it to wash. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Cheap and fast. Or you save money. At a, I have to insert the clients here, so I'm gonna do that next. So everything here costly. Yeah. Rent's $2. And as you quint, if you're not quick, you have to end up putting in more quarters in order to get a crop or a fast, sensible wash. Because if you don't handle your hand quick enough, you gotta put in the next $2, and that's how you're gonna have to be pushing out more. So I'm almost halfway through now. I'm almost done. So I'm gonna get my quarters next. I'm gonna insert it in the machine, and I'm just gonna blow it off, and then I'm gonna hand dry it. People here just wash and dry and let the breeze dry. I don't do that, my thing like that. Not me. I gotta wash it all the way and dry it all the way through. But if somebody's come here for this spot, I'm gonna move away to allow them to use it because I'm only doing a cheap wash. Yeah. So I'm almost done now because I already done the first part of the car, the hood. Yeah, so I'm on the front right now to complete cheap and fast wash without you have to be inserting coins of the kind. Alright, so I'm done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my quarter out and I'm gonna place it in that machine to get my wash. Alright, let me get my pliers. I'm gonna show you. Alright. I got my 4 quarters. 4 quarters. I'm gonna insert in the machine here, so it's already on rinse. Oh, I need $2. That's $2. So I need this is 4 for $1. So I'm gonna insert 4 more. That's $2. And then I'm gonna get my wash stop. Make it quick and fast. Because if you're not quick on the gun, guess what happens? It's gonna cost you more. So I'm gonna be precisely quick on this one. Look at and learn. So we're gonna get the top off because guess what happens? The soap, if you want some bottom up, the soap is gonna be aligned on the top, so it's gonna come down on the side and make sure it's up there. Quick and fast, $2, not more. So I will put my around them so it gives you more handle to the finish off cleanup. The finish off cleanup would be on the ring. So I'm done. Done. $2 instead of paying $10, $12, $50 for what? Yeah, you can't do it that way and have your car super clean. Done. I'm done, but I'm just giving a second run. $2 the cheap and easy. Get the same value. But this is an easy way of showing you how easy it can be done. Yeah. Once you get the soap on, you wait to get the soap on. Yeah, you know that it's done. So you're gonna knock out on it. No. Anytime that machinery goes off, subscribe and share, my people. It's an easy way to watch your people without spending a lot of money at a time. I only spend $2 of doing so. So I'm gonna let it drain a bit, and then I'm gonna move. I'm gonna show you around. So my people, so as you can see earlier, yeah, I got the car rinsed off. I only spent $2 at the car wash to get the job done. So the car is sparking clean. Yeah, so all you need is little soap and a jug of water. And if you wet the car, you can scrub away to get off those grinds of the car. So this is it, my people. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna dry it off, and then I'm gonna spread away. All right, so just watch as I go through the dry off process. All right. Yeah, so I'm going through the drying off process now. So I'm gonna start with my rag. I'm gonna do the front, and then I'm gonna go to the back. So just watch the process as I go along. Very good rag. So you don't need to wipe a lot to get all the water off the car. $2 wash. What would cost you actually at $10? Yeah, that's all you can save money by doing this. That's a cheap and easy way. Yeah. So everything added up when you come here. Soap, water, all of that added up. So quick and fast. Hey, so done. How good the rag is. You don't need to wipe a lot to get off all the water off the car. Yeah. Microfiber rag, that's what I'm using. So front is now done, so I'm gonna wipe all the way over to the back. So I only have that little spot over there on the glass at the front, but I'm doing side by side. Yeah, man, we squeeze out the rag. Right, again. Oh, those little water mark of the truck. Alright, so the American doesn't do this, they just wash and dry. Unless you go to the drive-through for a wash. But coming to a self-wash, they just wash and dry. Rarely you see few people does that. See how look good it looks? Shiny. So shiny. So I'm gonna complete this side fully, and then I'm gonna go on the other side. So if anybody pops up, I just drive away from under here, go out in the sun, but I'm gonna do as much as I can before I move from this spot. So I'm gonna do the door facing, all the door facing. Thick and fast. These rugs are so good. These microfiber towels, they're so good. They give you a detailed wipe. When you wipe it, wipe everything. You come in? I'm just gonna try it. Alright, so guy showed up, so yeah, so end up come on the other side because I have to make space for those persons who want to use the wash as well. So it's drying off the door facing and then out the behind. Alright, so just remember to like, subscribe, share my videos out. Know the yard man is so creative at what he's doing. Because I moved from where I was, I have to just go over this because the water on the top settles and it runs over to the side here. Even me gone back on the top of the car where I dried earlier, so let me get over to the other side. Yeah. That's 15 minutes, and the car is well clean. Look at it. Clean. $15. Like, subscribe, share. Yeah, pure. Car.